We're going to talk a little bit about my 22 I have here, and it's a Ruger Mark III target with a bull barrel. There you go. Mark III target with a bull barrel. I've had it up here probably 5-6 years. Shot thousands of rounds through it. And all that time it's never jammed once. And I'd have to rate that as an excellent, excellent weapon, because I don't necessarily clean it every time I shoot it. But we're going to go out here and I'm going to show you how accurate it is. From about 40 feet I got a little round ringer dinger out here. We're going to go for 6 ringer dingers in a row. So let's walk out here and show you what this beautiful little Ruger Mark III target with the bull barrel can do. I had 8 in the magazine, 8 ringer dingers. A wonderful, wonderful little pistol. I wouldn't have anything else.